Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Contrary to popular belief, yawning isn't only because you're tired. It's a complex brain cooling mechanism too. When we yawn, our heart rate spikes temporarily, increasing blood flow and brain activity. Yawning can be highly contagious. Simply seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger it. Some studies suggest that contagious yawning could have developed as a way of maintaining alertness in group settings. So, the next time you catch a yawn, remember it could be your brain's way of staying sharp.